Hi guys, welcome to our channel, The Mechanics of Making Money. Today we're taking a deep dive into becoming the captain of your own ship with Upwork.com. Imagine having the flexibility to choose your projects, setting your own hours, and setting your own rates. Picture a world where opportunities abound, from design to administrative tasks, and everything in between. It's a place where your skills can truly shine and your income potential is in your hands. Are you ready to take control of your working life? Then let's dive into the world of freelancing with Upwork. The first step to becoming your own boss on Upwork is setting up your profile. Now, this isn't just a formality, folks. Your profile is your personal billboard, your business card, your first impression. It's where you make your pitch to potential clients. And let's be real, it's a big old world out there, so you gotta make it count. Now, when you're picking your skills, be sure to select those that truly showcase your talent. Don't just throw a bunch of words out there. Make them count. Think about what you do best and how you can solve problems for your clients. This isn't just about you, it's about them too. Writing a compelling bio isn't about giving your life story. It's about showing potential clients why they should hire you. Talk about your experience, your accomplishments, the value you bring. Be specific, be clear, and most importantly, be professional. Upwork is where a lot of people go to looking for people to hire. Think of what you would look for if you were going to hire someone for what you want to showcase to the world. Showcasing your experience and qualifications is essential. If you've got it, flaunt it. Show off your past work, your achievements, your testimonials. This is your chance to shine, to show potential clients exactly what you can do. Even if you have not been hired by someone else for this work, but you know you can do the job, show them, be creative. Remember, your profile is your storefront on Upwork, so make it count. Now that your profile is set up, it's time to start bidding for jobs. This is where the real fun begins. Picture this as your hunting ground, and you're in search for that perfect gig that matches your skills and interests. Upwork is essentially a treasure trove of opportunities, and it's all about finding the right one. To kick things off, you'll need to search for jobs that align with your skills. You could be a designer, video editor, or a virtual assistant. Whatever your forte may be, there's something for everyone on Upwork. Use the search bar at the top of the page to find jobs that resonate with your skill set. You can filter jobs based on categories, experience level, or even the client's budget. Once you've found a job that piques your interest, it's time to write a persuasive proposal. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Start by addressing the client's needs as outlined in the job description. Then, highlight your relevant experience and skills. Remember, it's not about you, but about what you can do for the client. Make sure your proposal is clear, concise, and free of any grammatical errors. Now let's talk about pricing. This can be a bit of a tightrope walk. You don't want to undersell yourself, but at the same time you need to be competitive. Check out what others in your field are charging for similar work. Consider the complexity of the job, the time it will take, and your level of expertise. It's okay to start a bit lower when you're new, and gradually increase your rate as you gain more experience and positive reviews. Remember, the key is to stand out from the competition and convince the client that you're the best fit for the job. It's not just about having the necessary skills, but also about demonstrating professionalism, reliability, and a clear understanding of the client's needs. So put on your game face and let's get started. Once you've secured a job, it's time to deliver high-quality work. But what does high-quality work really look like? Well, it's about more than just doing the task at hand. It's about meeting deadlines, maintaining clear lines of communication with your client, and delivering exactly what you promised. Let's break it down. Firstly, meeting deadlines is paramount. Time is money, and when you respect your client's time, you show them that you respect their business. To ensure you're always on schedule, consider using project management tools or a simple calendar to keep track of your tasks and deadlines. Next, communication is key. Keep your client in the loop about your progress and don't hesitate to ask questions if you're unsure about anything. Remember, it's better to ask a question now than to make a mistake later. Worth repeating, it's better to ask a question now than to make a mistake later. Use clear, concise language to ensure that everyone is on the same page. Now let's talk about delivering what you promised. This means producing work that meets or exceeds the client's expectations. To do this, make sure you fully understand the project brief before you start. If something isn't clear, seek clarification. But high-quality work isn't just about what you do, it's also about how you do it. Stay organized and manage your time effectively. Break your tasks down into manageable chunks and tackle them one at a time. Don't multitask, it can lead to mistakes. People are hiring you to make things easier for them, not to make more work for themselves. Instead, focus on one task at a time and give it your full attention. Lastly, always be professional. Treat your client with respect. Keep your communication polite and positive, and always deliver your best work. Delivering high-quality work not only ensures client satisfaction, but also increases your chances of getting more jobs in the future. Remember, the better your work, the more likely clients are to recommend you to others. Believe me, we have referred people we have hired to help us to others. So, strive for excellence in everything you do. It's not just about making money, it's about building a reputation that will sustain your freelance career for the long haul. So, there you have it, guys. That's how you become your own boss on Upwork. We've walked through the steps together, from setting up a compelling profile that showcases your unique skills, to bidding for jobs that align with your capabilities and interests. We've discussed the importance of delivering high-quality work to build your reputation and grow your client base. The beauty of Upwork is the diversity of opportunities it presents. Whether your expertise is in design, voiceover, video editing, administrative work, or creating catchy YouTube thumbnails and Instagram posts, there's a job for you. Remember, it's essential to be competitive yet fair with your pricing. Research what others are charging for similar work, then set your rates accordingly. The journey to being your own boss may seem daunting, but with Upwork, it's entirely achievable. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share so you see our future videos pop up on your news feed. Stay safe out there, guys.